Here's a cool sunset, kinda. You can kinda see it. Look at our purple, pinkish color. The moon's out right over here. Kinda see it. So I'm gonna go for a little nature walk in the park. Okay, I'm gonna go for a little nature walk in the park by my house. It's a nice little park. I mean, there's blackberries, a lot of wildlife. I haven't used this camera in a while, a good camera. A little dark, it's about 9 o'clock at night. And it's a good idea to go for a walk. All the bunnies come out, a lot of wildlife, like I said earlier. Something to do. Who knows, maybe see some cool things. Hopefully don't film any people when I'm doing this, but if I see some, I'll stop filming in a second. This is one of my best parks I like to walk to. And it's because this kid's screaming over there. I'm not that far from the place. But when we get further in there, you can hear all kinds of birds and everything. It's very peaceful. And I filmed this place months ago on my phone. I think during springtime, I think. But not with this camera. So I made this camera do some good quality in it. Nice little walk though. I enjoy it. I might film the whole thing, I might just cut the parts of stuff that I enjoy. Or I find something interesting. On to the next part. Here's the open field of the park. It's a really nice area. You can kind of see the sunset a little bit in the background. A little bluish orange tint to it. A lot of dandelion flowers all over the place. Hopefully my walking isn't too loud. I'm walking on gravel. And not too bad though. Yeah, this park has little benches or picnic tables everywhere, chairs. There's a wood area I filmed there months ago too. Really a nice park. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a rabbit right over here. Another thing about this park, there's just so many of these everywhere. The big ones, the babies, it's crazy. But it's really cool. And you can get pretty close to them. They don't like run off as easily. But all the rabbits are all in the forest in here. It's really peaceful and quiet. That's what I like about it. Here's a cool flower I found. See how close we can get. Don't know what they are, but it's a purple flower. Really cool. Too far. Yeah, really cool. Now I'm halfway through the park. There's the other half. I don't film it over there because there's someone walking around. But all of this is all woods. And down there, it's a really cool spot. I'm going to show you here in a second. I come to this park a lot because it's relaxing. And before I go to work, I come here so I can get through the day. And I'm trying new ideas from these videos. I'll do little nature videos like this. One, it's nice and it's something different. So now I'm showing you the secret spot over there. Okay, here's the secret spot. I'm going to walk through it and show you around. This is where all the rapids are, all in this section. Yeah, this place is very secluded. You go a little bit further into the woods. Not much people go back here, but it opens up to a lot of interesting trees. And look at this thing right here. A lot of old growth. Very interesting stuff over here. Oh, this one. Really cool. This thing keeps going. It goes like all the way around here. It's kind of quiet. Sometimes you hear car sounds, but it's alright. But this is nice. I would come out here during the day when it's a little brighter out, but a lot of people walk through this park and I don't want to film people. And it shouldn't be too dark. This is the best time to go anyway. It's where you see some cool wildlife. And now it's a good time to talk about what's going on with me. It's been a while since I did an update video. As you know, I got a better position in my job. I don't want to talk about what it is, but I've been doing fishing and wildlife stuff. I'm still at the same company. I don't want to say what it is. Just different position. And it's going alright. It's different. I'm learning a lot more. Got my 40 hours and more hour cuts. Other than that, I'm still doing programming. Learning JavaScript now. Got done learning HTML, which was a fun language to learn. And mostly I'm just doing walks like this. Not stressing out so much. You know, that's one thing that I don't like to do. But doing these are good. It's pretty good. And I'll just show you this area. You'd be surprised it is too. And you're like, oh, where are you at? Are you still in Washington? Yeah, I'm still in Washington State. So by the Canadian border area. I've been up here 3 years now. Recently I watched my previous videos, the one I moved up here, and the moving process. And man, 3 years has changed. I mean, met a lot of people. Some good memories, some bad memories, but not too many bad memories. Mostly good memories. But I'm doing okay. I'm surviving. Getting back into things I haven't done in a long time. And this is cool. Different colors here. Really neat. That's the main thing. I'm doing good. I mean, I'm doing different things for content. I'm trying, like I said, I'm doing nature videos now. Mostly tutorials. I did review videos of the toothpaste I got and the headset, which are very interesting products. Just a lot of good things are coming. I'm using my good camera again. I'm going to go out about. My phone isn't that bad. I don't have this camera on me all the time. It's mostly when I'm out somewhere, I forget my camera, but I have my phone with me all the time, so I'll use that when I don't have my camera, obviously. But yeah, well, let's keep walking. There's more to see than this. See you in a minute. Here's tons of blackberries, almost ready to eat. And there's tens of thousands of them in this park. Better hurry, someone's coming behind me. Thought that was interesting. Look at that. Almost ready to eat. Sweet. Okay, it might be a little darker, so bear with me here. But it gets a little dark in this woods. It's pretty just late at night. It's around like 9:25 now. I'm walking for like 20 minutes almost. So I'm going to show you almost halfway through this park, and I'll wrap it up. So yeah, this is a great park. Again, all of these blackberries. Probably can't see it, but that's okay. Probably come out here during the day when you can see it better. Nice little trail over there. Really dark, but This is how it is in the woods. You got a camera to see when it's nice out, when it's dark out. No, it doesn't work that way. So, we'll make it work. It's more exciting this way. It's more realistic. And spooky a little bit. Like I was saying earlier, lots of things have changed with me. I mean, I'm not stressing as much. I'm doing a lot more things. I'm focusing on my goals and programming. Still doing eBay on the side. Filming videos. Doing 1 or 2 a week now. I mean, not every day because too much work. A little brighter. But it's something. I don't mind doing it. YouTube's thought no more ads for my channel anymore because I don't have the requirements. I think as of right now, as of July 2018, I have 129 subscribers and 83,000 channel views, which is not bad. Here's the end of the trail. There's all like houses around and stuff. And it's a quiet area where I'm at. So I'll end the video here. There's the moon again. I hope you enjoyed this video. I also have donation links on my description and with cards in the video. If you want to help me out, that's cool. If not, that's alright. And I have links in the bottom. Click them to help me out. So, have a wonderful day. See ya.